Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Zillow Group step by step clearly. Begin by researching Zillow Group to understand its business model and market position. Visit the official Zillow Group website and familiarize yourself with their. Check the latest news and financial reports related to Zillow Group to grasp its performance and future prospects. Create a brokerage account with a reputable online trading platform if you don't already have one. Ensure your account is fully verified and funded before you proceed. Navigate to the trade section of your brokerage platform. Search for Zillow Group using its stock ticker symbol, ZG. Review the stock's current price and performance metrics. Decide on the number of shares you wish to purchase based on your budget and investment strategy. Evaluate the different order types available, such as market orders or limit orders. Select the appropriate order type based on your buying strategy. Input the number of shares you wish to acquire and confirm your order details. Review any commissions or fees associated with your purchase. Execute the trade by placing your order. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about Zillow Group's performance. Consider setting up alerts for significant changes in stock price or news about the company. Stay updated with Zillow Group's quarterly earnings reports and any major announcements. Evaluate your investment periodically to determine if it aligns with your financial goals. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on market conditions and company updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.